Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I first walked up to the 1969 Dodge A108 Travco Family-Wagon, I felt like I'd just stepped into a time machine powered by nostalgia, questionable wiring, and the spirit of every road-tripping uncle who ever said, "I think we can make it if we don't stop for gas." One of my neighbors had a van like this when I was a kid, and I swear that thing always smelled like a mix of campfire smoke and the dreams of failed rock bands. Before I dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our adventures. I believe you'll like what's coming next. Now, this turquoise-and-white legend sits on a 108-inch wheelbase and rocks Travco's Vista top with insulated fiberglass, sliding windows, screens, and even a luggage rack for all the decisions you regret packing. It's got 15-inch steel wheels with dog dish hubcaps, 225/75 R15 Kumo Solus tires, and factory power-assisted drum brakes. Sure, the reverse lights don't work, and the license plate light works only when it feels like it, but hey, that's character. The price? Sold for just $7,750, about 7,200 euros. And honestly, I think that's a steal for a piece of rolling Americana. Inside, you get black cloth bucket seats, checkerboard vinyl floors, jalousie windows, and a cabin layout that makes you think someone said, "Let's put everything we own in here and pray it fits." What I like the most is the folding rear bench that turns into a bed and the removable bunk cot running the full length of the Vista top. There's a 12.5-gallon 47 liters water tank, a hand pump, a sink, a 2-burner propane stove, and even a window AC unit. It's basically a tiny apartment, just without the landlord judging your life choices. Under the doghouse sits the rebuilt 318 CI, 5.2 liters, V8, bored .030 over. Fitted with Keith Black pistons, larger valves, an Edelbrock intake, and 650 CFM carburetor. Lunati RV cam, electronic distributor, and an aluminum. It sends power through a 3-speed TorqueFlite A727 automatic. Now, I think it runs rich enough to qualify as a bakery. And yes, there's an oil leak. But if an old Mopar isn't leaking, there's no oil in it. My buddy once said, if the horn only works sometimes, that's fine. Just plan your emergencies. And with this van, I think that's the most accurate advice. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, the link is under the video. Also, if you want to support the channel, become a sponsor for just $1. That's right, one single tiny heroic dollar. The sponsorship link is waiting for you in the description below.